Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very entertaining topic. Do you know? What does it mean by evolution? So, let's get started. Dear friends, in biology, evolution is the change in the characteristics of a species over several generations and relies on the process of natural selection. Dear fellows, evolution is change in the heritable characteristics of biological populations over successive generations. These characteristics are the expressions of genes that are passed on from parent to offspring during reproduction. Dear friends, evolution reflects the adaptations of organisms to their changing environments and can result in altered genes, novel traits, and new species. Evolutionary processes depend on both changes in genetic variability and changes in allele frequencies over time. The study of evolution can be performed on different scales. These factors are the and quat forces of evolution. And quat, there are four such forces: mutation, gene flow, genetic drift, and natural selection. Do you know? What are some modern examples of evolution? Some evidence for current human evolution includes a reduction in Alzheimer's genes, the ability to digest cow's milk, and Dutch men getting taller, according to Popular Science. Evolution isn't just part of our history, it's happening right now, to all sorts of species, even our own. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below, subscribe to the button, hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.